diabetic eh. Diabetic ako for the past 13 years. So I know na diabetes, para ma-manage mo siya, dapat may gamot ka, yung diet, and then yung exercise, di ba? So, ako kasi it came to a point na yung regimen ko ng medicines to the maximum na but yung sugar ko hindi ko pa rin na-manage to the ideal na level. So, yung Metamorphic parang yun yung nag-pave the way talaga, naging avenue ko para yung exercise ko dati I know na kailangan ko pero hindi ko nasusustain. Dito, we found a community, we found a family.
Pati yung eating habits namin, even my kids na dati, hindi ko makain ng fish or vegetables and ang tubig ng mga yan, Nesty. But right now, we seldom see them na nagtitimpla ng Nesty and pwede lang ang ihain sa table namin our vegetables and fish na walang pork. So, yun yung nagbago sa lifestyle namin and kasama yung buong family. So, parang buong family yung sinama namin sa parang we found another family sa Metamorphic. Sabi ko nga, pagka persistent ka, so, kaya mo.
Hindi ko makalimutan wheelbarrow race ba? Kasi napaglaruan ako ng misis ko nun.
Itong Metamorphic, parang bonding moments namin kasi yung aming work, parati kaming wala. So, malalayo kami parati. So, we see each other mostly Mondays and then Fridays hanggang Sundays. So, ito yung bonding moments namin.
Mas naging closer kami kasi we were able to motivate each other. Diba? Yung mas productive ka kasi even yung discipline nandun sa iyo. Diba? Tapos, stress, mas namamanage mo yung stress mo. Ano pa ba? Hindi ka madaling uminit ang ulo. Tapos, mas nakakapag-focus ka. But of course, pag mas fit ka kasi mas nakakagalaw ka ng maayos. Dati yung driving course ko, may vaccine sa kanya naramdaman. Hindi ko na. Sabi nga the couple that plays together stays together.
Yes.
That if you put your mind to something, your body will eventually come. Okay. That everything that you set your mind to, you can eventually accomplish it.
It's the discipline. I am more disciplined now compared before. I have control over myself. May mga example, bawal na yung kasingan, fast food, we're like family, we do some bondings, and of course, we play like kids here sometimes, sharing personal experiences. Sometimes, you have to trust yourself. Parang yung power of mind. Kaya ko to, kaya ko. Kung kaya ng iba, kaya ko din.
Will you recommend it to others?
Yes.
I learned more about myself, my weaknesses, and what before I think was my strength was not it was used to be. I also learned a lot about other people as how I see them, their limits, and I was also inspired by them. Probably the best thing I have gained is the community itself. I mean, the people, the friends, and the experience itself. I feel a lot fitter and more they call that stronger to accomplish more goals. And of course, it's a continuous process. I'm still getting stronger and stronger. You have to improve a lot.
Will you recommend this to your friends?
Definitely, I will. It's a different kind of experience compared to the regular training we have here in the gym. It's something that you won't get tired of because you have friends and you're having fun while working out.
Will you be joining for the next season?
Yeah, definitely.
Naka-gain ako ng new friends. Yun yung pinaka-most important talaga sa akin. Parang para sa akin yung workout is more on aesthetics lang. Pero nagsimula ako nag-metamorphite, marami akong natutunan. Like more power, strength, agility. Mas better ng yung aking perspective sa fitness.
Will you recommend it to your friends?
Oh, of course. Recommend ko talaga.
Feels great, and of course physically, mentally, emotionally, nakakatulong. Self-esteem wise. Basta, it's a great experience, and I would really recommend it to others, anybody.
Will you do it again? Will you be joining
I will
for
not
the next
stop.
season?
I will not stop. Kahit na 60 years old na ako, I will keep doing this type of exercise. My experience, awesome. Greatest learning, it's never too late. Accomplishment. Ang dami. My first box jump. My first double under. My first deadlift na ang bigat-bigat. 115 is my heaviest. Each day is an accomplishment for me. I always look forward to Metamorphose.